Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram not opening. So if your Instagram is not opening or not working, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will search for the Instagram, here you will see open button, but on your phone you will see update button. Here simply click on the update button. Once you will do it, now go back and tap a while on your Instagram, go to the info button and you will see this type of the settings page. So from here you have to click on the storage and the cache, clear cache from here and try to open your Instagram. If it work then it's okay, otherwise you have to clear your storage from here. Then again you have to give your email and password and your Instagram will be start working. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.